how to add a Gmail account on your phone. First thing first, get into your phone Play Store, click the upper right hand icon in your Google Play Store, then expand the option, click add another account. You will wait just for a moment for the option to open. It will open based on the phone. My phone. Use my pattern to verify myself. Let it open again in order now to add another account to our phone. Kindly, as it is opening, don't forget to smash the red button so that you will not be missing out any of my future content like this. Also, don't forget to give the video a thumb up. Let us add the email which we want to add, which is simon.kenothia440@gmail.com. I'll click next. Let it open. So the speed in which it will be opening is based on the speed of your gadget. Let me input my password. Then after inputting the password, I click next, and that is how you can add a Gmail account on your phone easily. I agree with the Google terms. To take a moment based with the speed of your internet phone. My phone is becoming so slowly. Let me be patient. But already the account have been added into my gadget. The only thing is to verify and agree to Google terms and services, so that now my Gmail account will be added into my phone. Let us wait the verification. This is to wait. Yes, checking information. Just be patient. Yes, it has been added. We can confirm it. I know it has been added by default into my phone Gmail option. So we can come here and see if it has been added by default. So the email is here, simon.kenothia440@gmail.com. It is here. We click it, so the email have been added into my gadget. Is here, and that is how you can simply add an email account into your gadget easily with few steps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also to give the video thumb up, as that is the only way you can support me. Thank you.